بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters, today we are going to complete the remaining part of the grammatical concepts of lesson number 6. In this lesson we are going to come across another harful jar, that is li. It is called as preposition in English, and it means belongs to or for. Now we can understand the usage of this harful jar li by using it in a sentence. Haza li Ammarin wa zalika li Muhammadin. As usual, the harful jar makes the noun after it majroor, means it takes the kasra sign. Any noun after harful jar takes the kasra sign. Same here. The meaning of the sentence is this belongs to Ammar and that belongs to Muhammad. Another important example of harful jar li we usually come across all the times, that is lillah. Now this is alhamdulillah. Now we see that after the connection of harful jar li to the word Allah, alif and lam gets vomited and this is the end result, lillah. Alhamdulillah, all kinds of praises belong to Allah. Next we come to liman. Harful jar li has been connected to man. It means whose or belongs to whom. Let us take an example. Liman haza. Whose is this, or to whom does this belong to? Example for liman is limanil qalamu. Whose is the pen? We are going to come across two words in this lesson, أيضا and جدا. Hence, let us see the meanings of these words. أيضا means also. Let's understand its meaning by using أيضا in a sentence. هذا جميل وذلك أيضا جميل. This is beautiful and that is also beautiful. أيضا means also. جدا means very. Let's understand its meaning by using it in a sentence. هذا صغير جدا. This is very small. If we eliminate جدا, then it will become this is small. But after the using of the word jiddan, the sentence becomes this is very small.